How to fix Snapchat notification sound not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Snapchat app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Snapchat and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find the Bitmoji. Click on it. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now you have to scroll down. Here you will see the option of notifications. You have to click on it. Now from here you can easily enable notification. Just toggle on for all these options. Bitmoji in notification, stories from friends, trending public content. From here you can customize notification. You can just enable for all these options. In the case you have already enabled for these options, just disable it, wait for a few seconds and then again enable it. Likewise, you can close this. You'll also need to enable notification in your settings app. So launch it, scroll down, find the app Snapchat. After you find it, open it. Now, click on the option of notifications. Enable for this option of allow notifications. Likewise, toggle on for the option of sounds and badges. After you customize these settings, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Snapchat notification sound not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.